Okay, we're coming to you from Outback today.
Why are we out back?
Because we're bringing Outback Steakhouse.
Bloomin' onion.
The bloomin' onion. Stay tuned. So here we go, we're cooking the bloomin' onion from Outback Steakhouse, and the first thing I'll tell you is make sure your knife is sharp. And we're gonna cut off both ends of this onion, but be careful not to cut too deep, especially on this root side, because that's what's gonna hold the onion together. Now on the top end of this onion, you want to core out just a little bit of the meat and the flesh that's in there. Be careful, this is where you can seriously injure yourself, and exactly why you want a sharp knife. Next, you'll turn your onion over to the root side and you'll cut in a downward motion into 4 even slices. And try not to be too ashamed if you get shake hand, sometimes it's a little tough. Now after you've quartered your onion, just go back between each quarter and place 2 even slices until you've made it all the way around your onion. Now you can turn your onion over and see the results of what you've done. You open up the beautiful flower of this onion like a rose petal, only with a slightly different smell. But you'll want to separate all the layers of that onion so that it takes all of the egg wash and batter and is ready to fry.
All right, let's work on that dredge. You're gonna start with a good base of flour. And to that, you're gonna add just this hodgepodge of amazing spices. Now, as always, look below this video for all the measurements and all the ingredients. Add those spices to that flour base and give it a good stir. Now on your wet ingredients, you're gonna add milk and 1 egg. And I'm gonna pause just for a moment so that you can appreciate my husband's amazing editing skills. Now take your onion and you're gonna wanna dip it into that wet dredge. And I wanna make sure that that dredge is on every crevice of this onion. So midway through, I like to flip it over. Now once it's completely saturated, move it over to the dry ingredients. Now I would recommend to really open this up, separate all of the onion slices. This allows you to get that dry portion of the dredge into all the nooks and crannies. Now once that's completely immersed with your dry ingredients, we're gonna do that whole process all over again. You're watching Cooking with the Robinsons. Thanks so much for joining us today. We like to recreate our favorite family meals and put them on video so that you can duplicate them at home. If you like what we're doing, please feel free to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification at the top so every time we come out with a new video, you'll be notified. And that's it, your prep work's done. Now all you need to do is put your onion in the freezer for about an hour to chill. And while that's in the freezer, I'm gonna go ahead and work on that amazing dipping sauce. This sauce is made up of mayonnaise, horseradish, ketchup, and a hodgepodge of different spices. So you're gonna wanna add those in one at a time. Now, if you like this recipe and you're looking for other copycat recipes, you're in good hands. Sean and I have recreated some of our family's favorite fast food recipes, including the Chick-fil-A sandwich, chicken minis, the In-N-Out burger, and the famous Popeye's chicken sandwich. Go to our YouTube channel so you can check those out.
Now we've taken that onion out of the freezer, and you want to slowly let it down into this 350-degree vegetable oil. Be careful, you don't want an explosion in your kitchen. Let that cook for about 10 minutes. Pull it out when it is golden brown and delicious. Put it on a cooling rack and let it drain off that excess oil. Then we'll put it with that bloomin' onion sauce, and it's ready to eat. Okay, here we go. We've got our bloomin' onion out and ready. We got our 6-year-old Ayla on camera.
Ooh.
Everybody give her a big hand.
Yay.
And we got Kari here ready to eat. Are you ready to eat? Let's check this thing out, babe. Check one of those out there.
There you go. That's a good one.
These are gonna be delicious, I already know. So good. Good crunch, good texture, right, babe? And that sauce
Really
is
good.
really good. What's your favorite? Yeah, you can, don't pull on it. You gotta pull the whole thing. Hold on, we'll give you some more in a minute. What are your thoughts on the bloomin' onion?
It's awesome. The flavor is delicious, and that sauce is perfect. I mean, I think we really duplicated the bloomin' onion.
You gotta try this. Make sure you try this. Remember to give Ayla big props. Make comments below. She's only 6 years old and she's holding the camera. She's doing a great job. Thank you, Kari, and thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.